Hi there and welcome back. Today we're going to connect PayPal to Checkify Pro. PayPal remains one of the most recognized payment methods worldwide, and by connecting it to your checkout, you can offer customers both traditional PayPal payments and additional express checkout options for a faster purchasing experience. Before we begin, make sure you have an active PayPal business account. If you're already using PayPal with Shopify, you can simply connect the existing account instead of creating a new one. So open your Checkify Pro admin and go to Payment Systems. Find PayPal in the list and click Connect. Here you'll need to enter your PayPal ID and secret key, so let's do that. Sign into your PayPal developer account and open the PayPal developer dashboard. Then navigate to Apps and Credentials and click Create App. Set the application name to Checkify, choose Merchant as the app type, and create the application. Once the app is created, enable all required features in the available sections and save your changes. Also make sure that the latest PayPal SDK version is enabled for the application. After saving, your client ID and secret will become available. Now switch back to your Checkify Pro admin and enter the required information. Before completing the setup, let's take a look at a few additional options available for PayPal. Here you can enable the PayPal Express Checkout button, which allows customers to skip the standard checkout flow and pay directly through their PayPal account in just a few clicks. You can also enable PayPal alternative payment methods, giving buyers access to additional payment options supported through PayPal in selected regions. And finally, you can choose the specific countries where PayPal should be displayed, allowing you to tailor the payment experience for different markets. Once everything is configured, click Connect to activate the integration. Now let's check the result. Go to the Buy Link section and select any of the available links. As you can see, PayPal is now available on the checkout page and ready to accept payments. If enabled, customers will also see the PayPal Express Checkout button, allowing them to complete purchases even faster using their PayPal account. And that's it. Your PayPal integration is now connected and ready to process payments through Checkify Pro. Thanks for watching, and feel free to save this video if it helped you connect PayPal with Checkify, and let us know if you want guides for more payment providers and checkout integrations. We'll cover those next.